Hi Kevin, there's a couple different ways to do the backgrounds for these components. I'll just show you a couple of the easy ways here. Let's scroll down here for a second. Here, I'll pick on the quote section here. So just get to this section right here and just find something you can click on, even if it's like a library file. Because what you want to do is activate your QuickTag selector bar up here and take a look at the top here and see what sort of style is being used. And what we're looking for is it's going to be a section, and what we're looking for is a section number. So this is a section 3, as you can see right here. So if you go to the site, styles, and the themes.css, and scroll on down, right here is section 3. That's the background image it's loading in right there. So what you can do is you go to the themed images, backgrounds, there's a section 3. So yet again, themed images, backgrounds, there's the section 3 picture right there. You can change this picture right here to a different picture, or create a new picture, link it in. You can even create or copy, you could sort of create a new one, section 3A. Put your background, change your background picture here, and then what you can actually do is change this from section 3 right here to section 3A, and then you would virtually just create your own new background. Put your new background image in here, section 3A, make sure it's in here, called section 3A, and that's it. So there's a few different ways of figuring this out. You can use Firebug, you can use the method I just showed you right there. Any of the sections right here, that's the name of the image that's being used in the background, in the theme backgrounds. Okay, now for the full screen slider, let me take a look. I didn't know that was out of date, so let me have a little look here. So if you want to add more slides, you would use the same method excuse me, that we showed. So there's 4 slides being shown right here, right? Or 3 slides. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So if you want to add another one, copy this right here, paste it down below, just like so. And then you change your image name right there, and all your information that you would need to change as you would normally change it. After that fact, there's the next one being added right there. You can change it either in the code view or in the design view. Let me just have a look here. I have a feeling I know what you're talking about in terms of not up to date. Let's take a look at the site styles sliders and full screen slider. I just want to see if there's anything else in here that would require updating. I don't think so, but let's see here. Oh yeah, no. You would need to make sure that your new image, you see how it's BG image 4? You probably want to start it over. Well, they're all using BG image, so start it over at BG image 1, so it sort of repeats the sequence. See how we have 1, 2, 3, then 4, and what that is, it's an animation sequence right here that sort of says where the image, starts and stops and that sort of a thing. So when you get to number 4, just start. Sorry, when you're in our page here, if number 4 was the last one, then make sure the next one is number 1, and the next one after that would be number 2, and number 3, number 4. But same thing. There's as like with our background image, put your new image in this folder here, in the full screen slider images folder, and just change the name of the picture right here, and then you can change the text, right, or change the text in design view, wherever, excuse me, it says right there. And that is probably, now for your dots, the same thing right down here. If we have 4 pictures, we have 4 spans. If you have 5 pictures, right down here about where it says nav dots, then add, another, for each new picture, add 1 more span.